All right, guys, this is Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Tuesday, December 20th, 2016. Bear with me, guys, here. I'm traveling, don't have the best internet connection here, but we'll try to get through this. SPY pretty much sitting right at that 9. We've got the same analysis, same focus list as we did yesterday. IWM here holding up, as did the Qs. And semiconductors, lead for our purposes here. The areas we've been watching were kind of a mixed bag, like biotech here, still under that level. We're looking for the remount, so we're still going to be watching all week here. And then a lot of the commodities here pretty much just sitting at those levels. So if we look at steel, if we look at our coal plays here, if we look at our ag plays here, they're all pretty much at those same levels. So we're going to continue to watch for a break of those levels. And obviously, if we get the break, we would look to enter. And then financials, kind of resting here, break even yesterday. Gold is down now. The market's up a little bit pre-market. Oil is up about 0.5%, nothing too significant, but gold is down again about 1%. So starting to feel like a dead cat bounce where, we get this big move down, starts to bounce a little, and now it looks like it could be a continuing trend, which is why I've been getting a lot of questions about gold with the way it's been beaten down. And I keep getting asked, why are you not entering on these rubber band plays? Because I'm not seeing strong reversals. I want to see that strong reversal candle. So either one of two things are going to happen to get me into gold. One would be a strong reversal, like today, down 1% or 2% and then fakes out and gives us a really strong hammer. Or if it does float, it needs to float above the 9. Once the 9 has become a key level for me in all these different setups, whether it's beaten down, whether it's a strong stock pulling back, that 9 has become a key level. So if it gets over the 9, then I would consider getting in, but it hasn't been up over the 9 since early November. So there's no reason for me to get into gold yet. And then Russia, one of our other favorites here. Again, we were looking yesterday for it to hold the 9 and it went below the 9. So nothing to do here. So at this point, it's really just managing the positions and waiting for these things to play out. Now, interestingly, the FANG, the Teslas, the Apples, these guys held up pretty well yesterday. So Tesla was in the green. Netflix is still holding that 9. If we look at Google here, still holding. Amazon still holding, and then Facebook, which has been the laggard, was down, and that's not surprising looking at the last few weeks here at how it's been playing out. And energy was down, but our energy stock, OAS, was actually up and is still holding that 9. So I think it's a decent entry if you're looking for something. Probably one of those big guys in terms of tech, or OAS is showing a lot of relative strength. We've got our restaurants here. Ruth is just barely holding the 9 there, but Habit still very strong in there. So just sitting back, waiting for a good setup here. Now we're still in UCO holding that 9. We're still in play right around our entry, just consolidating at the top of the range. And then TZA, just kind of sitting there, 1932. So we're okay there. Again, I'm holding through. Our entry was 2009. I said around $1 stop, which would make it 1909. But you guys have seen I'm willing to go to the upper 18s on this just to kind of hold through and see if IWM just eventually pulls back. But obviously, if it becomes a big loss, we won't allow that to happen. So that's it for the trade report today. We'll see if one of these sectors plays out. Otherwise, we're content with the 3 positions here. So that's it for the trade report. I'll see you guys later today or early tomorrow.